Here we go. So we're finally here and pouring for you. If you know the drink, you can make one too. Get your drams together, that's banana schnapps, as we take you through this drunkies rap. CG, coconut gun. Take a nana from the bunch and pour it well. Don't overdo it or you'll feel like hell. This pineapple rum comes out in spurts. If you shoot some, it's gonna hurt. But that's not the end of the pineapple smells. Pour some in and coconut cream as well. CG, coconut gun, DK. Grant Kirkhope and George Andreas wrote the DK rap, and that's really easy to look up. It literally took a couple seconds, and I did it for free. So, you know, maybe fix that, Nintendo. Is all I'm saying.